ne di kan enti nana wo be ka kire se twene Jonas Frema emmoa bi agimifuo we mu ade omoti social media enye no wo endorse a na che se wo hye omachi komra nyina wo na wo bo mu putupa mi bisa se wo ka kire na do se wonkofo omo na omi so omo kwan Ghana be koso no Dormaafuo nchiri nkoso kofa wo mo wan kasa fo omo na bu akunyo mo omo Dormaa na ni omo mbu Dormaa na enye fe ema Dormaafuo nyina enye adwuma enne wo Dormaahene wo nam ko tal papa asphalt so a eye na adodankwa akufu ado o kasa about project ya neglect ndi o kodi ndi si fuechi akwasha tabo spaces ni bia penanti nana hwewachi wate nana Daniel Mensa ajima bedu the second akunya no betoy na oba na fin tale ho anka enye wa ho ase wote so I'm telling you ye kachiro sa ethnocentric yina wo pese wo de ban emwoawo nana hwewachi emwoawo enko kan santen tokwa no mu din no mo honam se eyende na ni biaba ne agyan tokwa wo ani biaba ne agyan tokwa ne wo na kan santen mko omunim dwane edin asante no eye asa war because of war let us unite sa na ntim jakari ebe ye sa ntim jakari yo sa etunifo bia wati ntim jakari so ane Michael born wo fiase. Is that what you want to repeat? I know now pese wo san so do my mind e bono oya nana wo mbetena kunya kase so nkasa sa ena wo kasa so a sebi enkura ye baase ye ne ye de chensen ba wo kasa na wo kasa no ma yentimi nsonsu mfirim enya wo be kasa ne ye begina ho no ma because edi Dormaafuo so montimi nya asem papa bia se bi nka nkyere mo man hene no munya asem papa bia nka nkyere no because wo ye no ogumani ase odi ani guase na ye ka akunya no ebe kakra ye ka Dormaa akunya ene beba some of us because ye pese ye himfo anim banyam because wo kwa other countries aye na ye ti sa wo in America democracy no untimi nkogina American American president as them. You cannot do that. Untimi nyesa that. So in American life this is say between Jonas mo Jimmy can tell am mo no better na ho ye no can just like that. You cannot do it. You can democracy so wo fa ho dia your fam ho die no it is within and think we will be dim. I don't pay some chere. O fa ho die na democracy say wo and think we will be dim. And this all banner say we mu na obey endorsement am mo dia. Na yeso etu ya no say edi watema nana. Wo no yetu ya ho say wo so ye edi watema nana wo begina hin. Where you stand? Wo begina hin. Enti penny ati say wo na wo endorse at Jimmy say na wan me my dream one na cast me say can be but I say we are too much. Now let me come back. We a high court judge. Let is uni mumra. You who kasa fast agreme house nana wadaoma. And this if one sebi omo de se wo mu na obi di omo chi dia me se won to ma beti sebi ejanan that was the case we faced. I decided to dedicate my page to just speak the truth. Na eja mo amu ye ni na ekoto aba. Ansa na ye ekoto aba mo amu follow me no me ye adwuma kakra o me page so.
Ye to abawie ye NDC for so omonte ase. Na me ye videos bi enne no me pese ye bebo kakra as we are here so that people would know how our political zone we know God has brought us to be. First and foremost, man this our page we say me de be propaganda and me de be kasa ama MPP nko there be me ideologies and ideology I mean ya adwene MPP for. Okay, but me ti page we say memma no kre na da di ama ye nuanom asebi ye ntimi nkan na yate ase no. That was why this page was formed, so that people can get to know the truth. And utina na jo me spend countless hours na me the research nkrofo adeda na homache na me research na nkrofo bi sa me to ye den na oda to bring you people the truth. Ye to abawie ye ni na ye wo ho ene ye hu ye maame Mari Ponua Buadu. One of the Okane ma anyone share them. Say yen nuanom gu Ghana de almost storm out in Kokon. With too many scenes so catching and say me, Mamma na jai sansing who no. Say you are no as I call joining NDC. But I call joining the ones who are called joining apatekuo ku. And the end or become positive by Kuma NDC. Ade abeti no say there be certain no no there's a general no for no no ase aba no no ase atwa no ho no ne okon and then Marie can send back for NDC. Ade abeti no atwe NDC ni back agu no ne ne ko Marie go far away because you know why their intention was not to build Ghana. Her intention was to disgrace Nanado. Her intention was to disgrace Oforiata. Her intention was to denigrate the whole family. A whole NDC, Kevin Taylor, and the control to the point say, Speaker Babi to make us say, why not the NDC for pa? Almost the neighbor Kevin Taylor managed to attempt. NDC, I have four to the point saying that NDC be making decision they are Ghana. I just say you go Kevin Taylor because yes, Kevin Taylor be the attempt. Aden Kevin Taylor will nipa 2,000, 3,000 or so nenkwasi allowed silence now. Jimmy for Babe 20 no, and only a big actually a whole political party. I always try to tell you Ghanaians say NDC party no. We are Yansani Kurana said who come wa Emma would done Jimmy for NDC party no. We are Yansani said then. Now who come now who cock some doctrine or much regu on an Adibaya Juma would done Jimmy for. Because Mama Yanya logic be wahoo. Kevin Taylor is one man. Kevin Taylor was social media, Facebook. Or Baswa, yes, Onyanipa, Udayan fan says Onyanipa 10,000 every year, Ukraine. We are talking about the biggest political party in Ghana, NDC, who is in opposition now due to a mismanagement. The biggest party who can master 6 million votes is afraid of a boy who speaks with no facts. According to Honorable Muntaka, NDC MP, Asawasi MP, Ababa Papa and left, right, center. Abemua, according